Welcome to my channel Kavita's Creative Recipes. I'm back again with a very healthy and yummy recipe. As we all know that sprouts and sweet potato are very healthy, and we have read a lot of articles and newspapers that we have to include them in our diet. So I thought let me combine both and form a tikki out of it. It's a very healthy and yummy recipe. Friends, do try it and leave a comment also if you like it, which will inspire me to create more recipes. And do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends too. We need 1 cup sprouts, sweet potatoes 2, half cup besan, haldi, jeera, chili powder, green chili paste, garam masala, jeera powder, kasturi methi, oil, amchur, hing and garlic. First take the sprouts and boil them till they are half cooked. And the same with the sweet potato. You can either pressure cook it or bake it in an oven till they are half cooked. And then peel it like this. And grate it. Make sure that they are not fully cooked. And these are the sprouts which are half boiled. Then in a kadai add some oil, some jeera, and when the jeera splutters, add some hing, green chilies, garlic, some besan, cook the besan for about 5 minutes. And then add some chili powder, haldi. Now we add the sprouts which are half cooked and the grated sweet potato. Salt to taste. Amchur powder, jeera powder, some kasturi methi and fresh coriander. If you have some pudina, you can add that also. Now take this mixture and make round balls out of it and shape it like a tikki. Now heat the tawa, add some oil, and cook the tikkis on a slow flame. Brush some more oil. Now take some satay stick and decorate it like this. You can serve with some green chutney or sauce. You can even add some cheese or paneer to it. And I'm serving it with some oranges as they are loaded with vitamin C. So this dish as a whole is a complete healthy dish. Do try it, friends. So friends, if you have liked this recipe, press the bell icon and share it with your friends too, and subscribe to my channel for many more such interesting, different, healthy and yummy recipes. Thank you.